Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload your photos catalog to OneDrive using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and photos that we have uploaded to the Photos application and then exported to a single folder. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Finder, and we should have OneDrive as part of the locations within Finder. Click on that. There are actually two ways that this can be performed, either via OneDrive on Mac or go to Office 365, locate the OneDrive application and then upload from there. So let's now take the photos folder that contains 1,201 items, right click, copy, go within OneDrive for Computer Science Videos, within Finder, right click and paste item. And now this is synchronizing to the cloud. As we can see, that this has now itself been uploaded in the process of synchronizing. I can now shut this down. Whilst the internet is still turned on, this will then sync to the cloud, to the drive online. So let's now go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's then go to new incognito mode, go to office.com. Let's now sign in to admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Sign into the account. Go to the applications. Let's go to OneDrive, and we should have that folder called Photos that is being slowly synchronized as we speak. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.